Kardam, and welcome to NE Karbi Life, the mirror of society. I'm Neha Teronpi, and today I'll be taking an interview of a lady who have recently won the title of Miss Teen Global Super International India. She is Neha Teronpi, and heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, can you please give us a small introduction?
Kardam, my name is Neha Teronpi, and I am from Kerni, Rongkangtui, West Karbi Anglong. I have participated beauty pageant organized by Surya Moni Doloy Sir, Miss Teen Super Global International India, and I have won the title of Miss Teen Super Global International India.
Well, since I won this prestigious title, so what was your first reaction?
At first I was so excited about this show, and then when I was in the stage, when they called out my name, I was really very happy.
Okay, so what was the reaction of your community since you represented the Karbi people in a national platform? So how have they greeted you and wished you? Can you please tell us?
In my society, they have been supporting me from the very first time when I first joined this beauty pageant, and then they were also very happy for me.
Okay, so since you're a teenager but you have cracked the national level, so definitely there will be a lot of teenage girls who will be looking up to you, who will be following your footsteps. So what is one message that you want to give to them?
I want to tell them that they should never give up, and they should believe in themselves, and the most is the support from their family.
Okay, so who is your role model?
My role model is Aishwarya Rai.
Oh, okay. So when you have won this title, you must have a lot of struggles in your way.
Yes.
Going from moving to this place to another place, participating in a new place, meeting with a lot of people. So how was it? Can you please tell us?
We have faced so many problems. Me and my mother, we went there, and we have traveled from Mumbai to Goa. We have traveled about 15 hours. So it was a long journey and tough for us.
Well, Sneha, the society have set, certain, they have set a rule, or maybe they have perceived this, that beauty pageant is just about beauty, but it's not about talent or representing themselves. They have often say something regarding beauty pageants, and you're one of the beauty queens. So what would you like to say to them?
Okay. I believe that beauty pageant is not about being beautiful. It's about having confidence in.
Sneha, what is your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become a modeler and serve my village to make my parents proud.
That's so sweet of you. Well, I must say that your mother is really hardworking. She's always followed you, right? She's always supported you. She's very supportive. So can you please tell us something about your mother?
My mother, she has been very hardworking. She has supported me in everything I do.
I see. So is this your first pageant? Or
no, I have been performing before also.
Okay. What are the pageant name? Can you please tell us?
First, when I started doing pageant show was in my village in 2020.
Okay.
And then next I went to Guwahati for Miss Teen Northeast.
Sneha, you have just participated. Is this your first time participating in beauty pageant, or you have participated elsewhere?
I have participated before also. First, I participated a show that was organized in our village, and then next I participated in Guwahati. The show name was Miss Northeast 2021, and then Miss Grand Assam, and then I went to Goa for this show.
That's very nice. Who was a mentor, who have inspired you the most to join beauty pageants and all?
My mom. She inspires me the most.
I see. So like how many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members.
Is it?
Me, my mom, my father, and my sister.
Your sister, I see. So Sneha, what are your hobbies?
My hobby is dancing and reading books.
Is it you love reading books?
Yes.
Well then Sneha, like since you love dancing, then have you ever participated in any dance platform and all?
Yes, I have participated.
Okay, where is that?
It was held in Hojai.
Okay. So where are you like studying? Like from where did you pass? Like you have done your schooling?
From Don Bosco High Secondary School, Kerani.
I see, from Security. I must say that the school people, your principal, your teachers and all must be very, very proud of you, right? So Sneha, like since you're from Kironi, you have went to Goa, then as I've already asked you that you must have faced a lot of struggles, but at the same time there must be a very happy moments or the moment that you should cherish the most. And would you like to tell us your happiest moment?
My happiest moment was that when I got selected, when they called me from there, and they told my mom that I got selected, and then when we went there, and on the final day when they called out my name, my mom and me were very happy.
You must be literally crying.
Yeah.
Okay then. Like first you have participated in your village, right? Then have you won any titles earlier?
Yes.
Okay.
I won second runners-up.
Is it what's the name of the pageant?
Assam Kala Kendra.
Oh, I see. Then Sneha, like since you're still a teenager, but you have won several titles, right? So like when you grow up, what are your plans regarding beauty pageant? Will you stop here or you will continue to go?
I have planned that I will continue doing all these pageants, and I want to take our
Community, community.
our Karbi community to the topmost level.
Oh yes, it's very nice. Okay, yeah, that's really good. A very good initiative that have taken by you. You have already, done very much, but then in the future you can do much more than this. So all the best, Neha. And well guys, let me ask one more question to her, maybe more than that. Sneha, like since you have won this title, then obviously it is a kind of success that you have received. So like then since you have received this title, like you wonder, there will be a lot of challenges that you have been faced. So like how many participants were there?
There were a lot of participants, like 100. A lot of participants. They came from different countries, like Russia. Yeah, but only 50 contestants were finalists.
I see. So like there are 50 finalists, right? So like since you have stayed with them, then like what are the things that you have learned from them? Because every individuals will be coming from a different parts of the world, and they have their own culture, style, tradition, and so this you have, right? So like what have you learned from them?
I have learned that we should be confident, we should be confident and believe in ourselves so that we can achieve that goal.
Yes, definitely. And Sneha, like how many rounds were there?
There were 2 rounds, traditional introduction and then final.
Final round, I see. Then Sneha, like since you have participated in a national platform, international platform, then like there will be like a lot of people who will be looking up to you, especially teenagers who have immense interest in beauty pageant, must be saying that yes, I want to grow up and be like you, right? So can you please give them some tips, so that they will be more confident, they'll have some more idea regarding beauty pageant.
I would like to tell everyone that we should believe in ourselves and have confidence, and the most important is the support of family, and then we should never give up. That's it.
Okay, and then Sneha, since you're a lot more you're very much interested in beauty pageant, but then besides beauty pageant, like what are the different things that you have interest in?
I've been interested in dancing. I also do dance.
Yeah. Okay. Then, well, Sneha, like since you have, like like when you were interested in beauty pageant, like is there anyone like who say that don't do this, or stop doing this or something like that?
No, no. Everyone supported me very much from my family.
That's really nice. Well, Sneha, in order to participate in a big platform, a person needs a lot of practice, as practice is what that makes a man perfect. So Sneha, can you please tell us like how have you practiced? Like what are the steps that you have taken in order to make yourself perfect?
So I have practiced it a lot of time. Like I practice a lot from morning to night. My mother also used to like teach me, and then from like I used to look at internet all those and I searched it, and then I used to practice all those.
So like you did not have any personal trainer, like the only one who was training you was your mother.
Yes.
So your mother is also, she's have a lot of interest in pageant, right? So like in her young, means like when she was young, when she was single, the time did she participated?
No.
Oh, no.
She didn't get any chance, so.
But then her daughter have done wonderful jobs. Then this Neha, like you have taken help from internet, right? So then like from which side of the internet have you taken part? And through internet, like who has been your guide? Like from who have you been following?
A groomer, one of a groomer. I saw him on, like I was scrolling one day, and then I saw him on Instagram. That his name is Arnish Diamri.
I see. So ladies and gentlemen, she is Neha Teronpi, our pride of Karbi Anglong, who have recently won the title of Miss Teen Super Global International India. Thank you so much for watching our channel NE Karbi Live, the Mirror of Society. Kardong.